Now students, today I am going to explain you about the magnetic effect of current. You all have learned magnetic effect of current in class 10th also. So this is the introduction of the magnetic effect of current. So for the first case, if I am taking a current carrying wire and it is held perpendicular to the plane of paper like this. This is the plane of paper and this is the position of the current carrying wire. Okay, now what will happen if you will take a compass needle and when you will place the compass needle near to the current carrying conductor. Here in this diagram, this is the position of the current carrying conductor and this dot sign represents that the current is moving in the upward direction, perpendicular to the plane of paper in the upward direction. So in that case, when you will place a compass needle near to the current carrying conductor, you will find that the north pole and the south pole, this is the north pole and this is the south pole of the compass needle get deflected. And when you will place the north pole at different positions of deflection, you will find that the north pole start deflecting in a particular direction and form a circular path around the current carrying conductor. So this experiment shows that if there is a current, then there is a deflection in the compass needle, means the north and south pole, they will experience some forces due to the current carrying conductor and a pattern is formed around the current carrying conductor. So this observation we have got from this condition. Now the second observation, when this is the same current carrying conductor is placed perpendicular to the plane of paper, but the direction of current is reversed. Now the current is moving into the plane of paper. This is the direction of the current that is moving into the plane of paper. So cross mark represent that the direction of current is into the plane of paper. Now again, when you will place a compass needle close to the current carrying wire, what you will find? You will find there is a change in the direction of deflection of the north pole of the compass needle. Now the north pole of compass needle get deflected in the opposite manner as compared to this. Now the compass needle get deflected in the clockwise direction and here it is moving in the anti-clockwise direction. So according to the deflection of the compass, again you will find the same pattern. So from this experiment also we concluded if there is a current, there must be some force exerted on the magnetic compass needle. This shows there is an effect of current around the current carrying conductor in which a magnetic substance experiences some force and get deflected. Now the third case, suppose this is a current carrying wire and when you will sprinkle a iron filling around the current carrying conductor. Okay, so when you will place the sprinkle the iron fillings around the current carrying conductor, after some time you will find that these iron fillings arrange themselves around the current carrying conductor in a specific pattern. Okay, these pattern are concentric circles around the current carrying conductor. So it means that if there is a current, there must be some effect of current on a magnetic substance. So from here we have got that a moving charge whenever flows, because current is flowing means what? Moving charge is flowing. A moving charge or a current produces a magnetic field around a current carrying conductor. So in this part we will study about how current produces magnetic field, how magnetic field exert force on moving charge particle like electron, proton and current, and how charge particle can be accelerated, and how current and voltage are detected and measured by the galvanometer. So this is the elementary idea about the magnetic effect of electric current.